Welcome again, sweet travelers. Think you've seen it all? What's hidden behind Quebec City's fairy tale facade will astonish you, even veteran travelers. Stick around, because in the next 15 minutes I'll unfold 3 days of secrets, underground mysteries, and unexpected legends that make Quebec City not just historic, but unforgettable. Let's dive in. Your perfect itinerary starts now. Historic foundations and secret pasts. Start strong with breakneck stairs, built in 1635, the oldest stairway in the city. What if I told you its medieval nickname, Escalier du Couteau, Beggar's Stairs, hints at a time when the lower town was overcrowded with the less fortunate, while merchants looked down from above. These stairs were literally and socially a dividing line. Then head to Terrasse Dufferin, not just for river views, but to walk over history. Beneath your feet lie hidden ruins of St. Louis forts and Chateau St. Louis, visible through skylights in the boardwalk. A modern walkway sitting atop centuries of power and intrigue. Slip into the Morin Center, a former prison turned English-language cultural center and library housing documents dating back to the 1800s. Did you know it once held inmates in the same halls where today readers study Enlightenment texts? You'll be wandering between bars and books, offbeat gems and curious whispers. Let's wander where few do. Sketch out a self-guided themed walk, maybe hunting murals or staircases peppered through Old Town. Quebec's hidden frescoes, like La Fresque du Petit Champlain, a vivid, narrative mural painted in 2001, portray the city's evolution in living colors. Venture into Wendake, the Huron-Wendat territory, where a recreated longhouse, the Anwa Lumina Night Walk, and Kabir Kuba waterfall conceal real indigenous stories. Think of it, ancient legends in technicolor forests, steps outside the tourist trail. Crave local quirks? Try Bar St. Angeli, a tiny jazz den that feels homey, impromptu, and brilliant. Or stumble into Bateau de Nuit, a beer bar with a story and ambience like no other. Legends, language shifts, and hidden science. Brace yourself. Quebec City was once about 40 to 50% Anglophone in the 1850s. That's right, the nicknames in Montcalm or Sillery reflect that linguistic history, long before French dominance reshaped the city. For something spooky, there's talk of the werewolf of Quebec City, a folk tale virtually forgotten, but threads of this tale wove through 19th century gossip, candlelit storytelling at midnight masses, especially in rural fringe areas. It's part myth, part cultural memory. Finally, a scientific twist. In 1685, Jean Deschays used a lunar eclipse to nail Quebec's longitude with near unprecedented accuracy. We're talking early cartographic wizardry, linking old Quebec to early scientific revolutions.